Hello Excel Gladiators. Excel tip number 2 is the highlighting shortcut. So the main way people highlight in Excel is to select the cell they want to highlight and then select the fill color with their mouse by clicking on the little paint bucket on the ribbon. I'll select a different color, I'll select green. And this can also be accomplished by using the Alt-HH shortcut and then using your keyboard to go to whatever color you want. So after you highlight a cell once, you can save time by highlighting using the F4 key to manually highlight cells instead of having to select the fill color every time you want to highlight a cell. So I'll use the F4 key to highlight every ship that has more than 30 wins using the F4 key a lot faster than I would having to reselect the fill color every time I want to highlight. So you can use the F4 key to save yourself a lot of time highlighting. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and drop your best Excel tips for a future video. So that's all, folks.